First thing I'd like to say is welcome, and most of all, thank you for our sponsors. We have the Bank of America sponsoring this particular event.
I thought the event was just fabulous. It's great to get our manufacturers talking about ways that will improve their competitive advantage and help them to become stronger and greater and build an overall boost to the Northeast Ohio economy. And IIot is really critical to that.
We were invited to this about 3 weeks ago in conjunction with IIot. It was very well received from what we've done in the past.
I think it was the first time it happened, but the turnout was incredible. A lot of people were asking a lot of good questions during our presentations, and I thought it was a really effective event, and I've heard the same from the attendees as well.
We showed them some of our latest technology that would apply for a lot of the different manufacturers for improving their throughput and providing what seemed to be a very big interest, which is in training.
I guess I would say that I am probably not one who knew anything about this, and I'm really appreciative of the opportunity to learn.